was beautiful. It's not Stigler, but it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Here today, I love this.
Same.
Today on the 4th of July 2023, this is Vuorimiehenkatu, Vuorimiehenkatu 11 sticky, but they have also, I think, 4 other stickers, but I'm not sure if all of them have elevators.
Yeah.
It was built in 1956. Turning 60 years old in 2026, museum by 6409. Here in Finland, Helsinki has special smart film with 4 floors. It's going to be inspected in 2025. And it dates back to 1928, but for some reason it was replaced in 1956.
Yeah.
Or maybe this
yeah, a bit later.
A bit later, yeah. Very beautiful residential building it is.
Yeah. Inspected and maintained by Kone, and these stickers are normally seen in Jyväskylä, Varkaus, Kuopio, and some other places, but not in Helsinki.
Oh, interesting. Oops.
Yeah, it's the same.
White gold.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Slowly. Back to the first one. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's